Hello, this is Sartre. Today I'm talking about freelancer.com. What it is you can post a request to become and find jobs online on Freelancer. You need to hire a freelancer or you earn money as a freelancer. It's up to you based on it. You hire a freelancer, which means it's individuals that have special skills in like either cybersecurity, marketing, business, planning, and so forth. All you gotta do is just go to a website. I'm gonna show you guys. And it's been used by Amazon, Facebook, Deloitte, Novo, NASA, IBM, and Airbus. What you do is post a job. So post a job, you need to complete it and receive competitive bids from freelancers within minutes. Choose the freelancer to get your job done from web design, mobile app development, virtual assistant, product manufacturing, and graphic design, and a whole lot more. And with secure payments of review professionals to choose from, simple and easy way to do. Square about, you can browse profiles, view bids, live chat, 24/7 support, track the progress of their from time of starting a project to time of finishing, and pay for the quality that has been complete when 100% satisfied. Pay them at the end, and you can make it real with freelancers. You can get like logo designs, package design, mobile design, WordPress, what's up. Starting low as like $10, and it'll tell you like how long they take to finish your project. They have over 1,800 different categories from research writing, data processing, JavaScript, Linux, finance, and many more. And it's operating in the United States. They have over 51 million users and over 19 million jobs posted. And it's available to download on Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. And also they hold contests for a freelancer program, project management, local jobs, photos anywhere, and also security features, news, quotes, everything you need to know about the company. And they also have fees and charges. Let's see what they are. For employers, it's free to sign up, post a project, receive bids for it. If you choose to award the project to a freelancer, there'll be a fixed project. They get 3% or $3 where first grader levy of time for the project's award accepted by each freelancer. If you subsequently pay the freelancer more than original, we will charge the project fee on any overage payments. For hourly project, a fee of 3% is levied. You may cancel with the project within 7 days for a full refund. So you only got 1 week. So I'll put down some of that information. 7-day refund. Okay, there's one for contest. My back guarantee gets you a project within 30 days. Okay, for that refund to work, if you already selected an entry as the winner and complete the contest handover, which was released the prize money to them, you're not eligible for a refund if you already picked the winner. If you did not, you can get your money back within 30 days. There's no contest fee for posting and awarding the contest for employers. That's optional for contest upgrade, must be purchased. Okay, let's see. The payment is protected by the freelancer milestone payment system. They'll only release the payment once you're 100% satisfied with the work that's being delivered. So the person doesn't get paid until you're 100% satisfied. Okay. Projects are fixed at 3%. Okay, pricing the project could be 10% or $5, whichever is greater. 10% for hourly projects. Services, if you submit hire to perform that service, 20% fee of total service charge is being charged that from payment you receive. So let's say you're a freelancer. The company takes 20%. You keep 80% of the money. pretty much how he explains. Okay, so a refund as a bulk credit. In some sense, refund fees may be done as bonus credit. That means it can't be withdrawn and the bonus expire 90 days from the date of receipt. So I mean the bonus credit can be applied towards another type of service, which you can use it within 90 days. 0% fee promotion. Okay, when you join and when you're new, let's see, freelance commission charge for freelancers or for new employers who do not have an account and join and create an account reduced. They'll have, instead of charging them the 10% fee, it'll be 0% for referring new employers. Okay. Or for them to do it, they'll have to must be referred using promotional links. And let's see what else they say. 0%. The promotion does not apply to contests. Freelancer reserves the right to review classification of employers as new employers for the purpose to ensure fair use of this promotion. Understand read the user agreement, continue to apply. Fees and charges component continue to apply. They have to pass their identity check to double check if the employer exists, real company, and so forth. Freelancer, fair use. Will this allow you only if you prevent suspected fraud? Freelancer reserves the right to cancel this promotion at any time without the consent. Reserves the right to cancel promotion in any region that is deemed unlawful if the promotion resident in that area. Membership plans will reoccur on an annual basis if funds are sufficient within 30 days until funds are made available. May cancel your membership at any time, which will cease billing. And they have a lot of fees. Some are free, some are. I'll be listing that at the end of the video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with everyone so they know about Freelancer.com. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.